Can you see this question?
Yes, ma'am.
So today we will solve question based on Heron's formula, case study based question. Okay. So the question given is, the traffic signals are located on the side or top of the road. They give directions on how we should behave on the road so that the traffic can proceed safely and smoothly. Everyone must know the traffic signs. To prevent the children of school, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A, as shown in the given figure. Okay, we are given a figure. It's a traffic signal which is equilateral triangular in shape. Okay, and the sides are given A. So when you read this question, you will come to know that this question is nothing but that exercise question which we have done already, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
all the word problems are nothing but the case study based questions. Okay. So here we are given a signal which is equilateral triangular in shape and the sides are A. See the first question. The first question is, find the perimeter of the signal board. We know that perimeter means what?
Sum of all.
Sum of all the sides. Yeah. Sum of all the sides. It's an equilateral triangle with side A. Here sides are given A units. So perimeter will be A plus A plus A. Okay. It means 3A. So the correct option is option C. Okay. Correct option is option C. Right. Very simple. Just a minute. Correct option is C. Next is find the area of triangle. Now you know that equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal, right? So there are two ways to find the area of a triangle, area of equilateral triangle. One by directly using the formula, and one you can also, since we are given all the three sides, the sides are A. So if you want, you can use Heron's formula, or if you know the formula directly, you can use the formula. Okay, so the correct formula is root 3 by 4 A square. This is the formula to find area of an equilateral triangle. But you can also use Heron's formula to find the area. Okay, can you use Heron's formula to find this area?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here the correct option is option A, right? You want me to simplify or find the area by Heron's formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes. Mhm.
ma'am, yesterday we have done the example like this one, so it is same.
Yes, you can see almost it's same. If the questions are different, then okay, suppose in that question we only need to find the area, so we will find area only, but here we are also need to find the perimeter, so let's find the perimeter as well. Okay, I think in that question we are given perimeter as well. Okay, all the side, it's an equilateral triangle and perimeter is given, so first we'll find what are the sides of the triangle and then area. Yes, so you want me to solve this question by Heron's formula, this one?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So let us solve this one by using Heron's formula. We are given sides, means the value of A, B, and C. All are now equal to A. Okay. So first we'll find semi-perimeter, which is nothing but sum of all the three sides divided by 2, or just half of perimeter. Okay. It means A plus A plus A by 2, or we can also write 3A by 2. Now we need to find S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay, all these values we will find. So what will be the value of S minus A? 3A by 2 minus
3
A.
upon
We can take LCM. We can take LCM. So we'll get 3A minus 2A, or simply A by 2. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is, yeah, now it's an equilateral triangle. All the values are equal. So next values will also be a by 2 and a by 2. Okay, and no need to find again,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Now what we will do, we'll put all the values in the Heron's formula. So we will write by Heron's formula, area of triangle is equals to within root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Now we will put all the values. S is 3a by 2, okay, 3a by 2, and these values are a by 2, all are same, a by 2, a by 2. Okay, how many a's we have within square root? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a raised to the power 4. So when you take out this a raised to the power 4 outside the square root, you will get a square only. And here we have pair 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 times. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 times is 1 by 4. And within square root now, what left? Only root 3. So this is the area of equilateral triangle. Okay, root 3 by 4 a square, root 3 by 4 a square. Is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please explain
Which one? Which part?
last.
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
This part? Okay. See here what is written in the within the square root. Within the square root it is written 3a by 2 multiplied by a by 2 multiplied by a by 2 multiplied by a by 2. Okay, how to find a square root? We make pair of 2. So 3 multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a, 4 times a, and we have 4 times 2 but in the denominator, means it's actually 1 by 2. Okay, so how to find square root? We make pair of 2 only. Okay, so ये एक pair ये हो गया, एक pair ये हो गया. So we'll take it outside the bracket. So when you take outside the square root, so when you take outside the square root, you will get a multiplied by a, and in the denominator also we have pair. So when you take out, you will get 2 multiplied by 2, and here what left? Only root 3. So what will be the answer? Root 3. A multiplied by a is a square, and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if it is given isosceles triangle, so we have found the s minus a, s minus b. It would be same, and we have to find the s minus c again.
Yeah. In that question, suppose if it is an isosceles triangle, then only 2 sides are equal. So in that question, you will be given the equal side as well as unequal side as well. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So let's start with the, let's see the next part of the question. The next question. Question number 3 is, if its perimeter is 240 centimeter, then find the area of the signal board. This question is from the NCERT. Okay, in the NCERT book, we are given the perimeter. So in the third part, perimeter is given 240, and we know that perimeter means sum of all the 3 sides, means 3a. So what will be the value of a? Is it correct?
120 minus 80.
No, the value of a, it is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You said 80.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I didn't hear. Now we will find s minus a. And before we find s minus a, let us find s as well. So s is 120. Okay, now we will find s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. So s minus a क्या हो जाएगा? 120 minus 80, which is equals to 40. 120 minus, no need to find. It's an equilateral triangle. Okay.
Yes.
ये सब सेम रहेगी. So now we will use Heron's formula. So we'll write by Heron's formula. Write formula every time. But in MCQ's question, no need to write. Means we only need to take the correct answer. So this is 120, then 40, then 40, then 40. See, we have 3 40s. This 120 can also be written as 3 multiplied by 40. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I right? Yeah. So बहुत बड़ा कैलकुलेशन हमको नहीं करना है, कुछ टफ नहीं करना है. We only need to make it simple. Okay. So now we have pair of 2. This 40 multiplied by 40 will take it outside the square root. So now we are only left with this root 3 within the square root. So what will be the answer? 1600 root 2. Yeah. And since the perimeter is given in centimeter, so what will be the unit of area? Square centimeter. Correct? So which option is correct? Option B.
B.
Be careful. Here we are also given 1600 in option A. Yeah. So be careful. ऐसा नहीं हो कि जल्दी में 1600. You just see this 1600 and A is the correct option. So be careful. Okay. Always check your answer before you submit your answer sheet or whatever. Right. Let's move to the next question. The fourth part of this question is, if in any equilateral triangle ABC, AB is 7, then BC will be what?
7 centimeter.
7 centimeter. It's an equilateral triangle. Okay, हमको confuse कर रहे हैं वो. Which two? It's not an isosceles triangle. Suppose if it is an isosceles triangle, then we need to know which two sides are equal. Okay, but it's an equilateral triangle. All the 3 sides are equal. So if AB is 7 centimeter, what will be the other 2 sides? 7, 7. So BC will also be 7 centimeter. Yeah. And the last question is, if its perimeter is 360 centimeter, then find the area of the signal board. Now the perimeter is 360 centimeter. Okay, can you find it? Can you find
Yes,
it right
ma'am.
now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, find the area and let me know the answer. I'm giving you 1 minute time. Perimeter is given 360. Whatever I'm doing is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it's 60, not 120. Okay, so we have 360s. So this 180 can also be written as what? What we can write here?
3 into 30 into 60
3
into 3.
60.
Very
into
good,
60.
very good. Yeah, no need to make calculation tough. Okay, keep it simple. So we have pair of 60s. So the answer will be 6 6 are 36.
1200.
Yeah. So which option is correct
130.
out of this? I think option number C.
C.
Yeah. Clear? So now if you have any doubt
Ma'am,
in
can you
any
wait?
part, yes,
Ma'am, I am right.
you are writing the last part.
Yes.
Huh.
Ma'am, will you upload this on the study material?
Yeah, I will upload. I'm not going to erase anything, so it will remain here, and after the class I will upload there. Okay, that is why I used the whole paper. I didn't erase anything today. If we don't erase anything, then it will remain here only. Okay, so later on I will update. Okay, upload there. So no need to copy. Did you understand all the parts of this question?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Any doubt in any part? No. So let's move to the next question. This is our next one. Question is, Rehan, a student of class 9, visit the Buddha Park with his father. He noticed that a side wall of Buddha Park painted in black color with a measure to follow the traffic rules. Okay. Then some questions arises in mind of Rehan. Then answer the following questions. So here this board is also triangular in shape, and the dimensions of the board is already given. And when you see, one side is 7, another is 8, and the next side is 9 meter, it means it's not an equilateral triangle, scalene triangle. It's a scalene triangle. All sides are different. Okay. So the first question given is find the semi perimeter. Be careful. In the first question, what was the first question? In the previous one, find the perimeter. And here it is given semi perimeter. So ऐसा नहीं हो कि जल्दी में you just find the perimeter and just click on the correct answer. Okay, it means incorrect answer actually. It's semi perimeter. So how will you find semi perimeter? So in the first part, sum of all the three sides divided by 2. 7 plus 8 plus 9 by 2. This is our semi perimeter, which we represent it by s, small s. So what will be the answer? 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 9 is 24 by 2,
20.
12 centimeter. So the correct option is option
C.
C. Yeah. Second part, find the area of the wall. Here we have to find the area. We are given sides 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 9 centimeter. We know the semi perimeter, it's 12. So now we will find s minus a, 12 minus 7, how much?
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters.
Yeah. So it's 5 centimeter. This one is 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Okay, now that formula, Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. We'll put all the values. So S is 12. Be careful when you put the values, okay? There are chances to make mistake. Now see, this 12 can be written as 3 multiplied by 4. Let this 4 be as it is because we can make pair of this 4 and pair of this 3. Okay, so जिसका भी pair बन जाएगा, we will write it outside the square root. So इन दोनों का pair हो गया and इसका pair नहीं है. So the correct answer is 12 root 5 square centimeter. Which option is correct?
C.
C. Yeah. And the third question is, if the sides of triangles are 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter, then semi-perimeter of the triangle. If the sides are, this is very simple. We have to find semi-perimeter. If the sides are 10, 12 and 14, then semi-perimeter means half of perimeter. What will be the answer? The sum is 36 by 2. Am I right? All are in meter. So this will also be in meter. So 18 meter is the correct option. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.